Welcome, you guys. How are you today? I am doing fabulous, and what I want to talk to you today is about your nighttime routine. You need one. So we are talking about nighttime routine. I want to encourage and stress the importance of taking care of your skin at night. We have all of these makeup products and they're phenomenal, but if you're not cleaning your skin and getting that stuff off, your skin's gonna be wrecked underneath there. And I don't care how fabulous the foundation, if you don't take care of what's underneath, it's not going to perform the way it should. I talk to so many girls that have tried a zillion foundations that they're not happy with. And I guarantee most of the time, I even find out when I'm talking to them, they don't clean their skin. They use makeup wipes. I'm sorry, you guys, makeup wipes are not cleansers. They are far from cleansers. They're not even, I am not a fan, to be honest with you. They're like my very, very last resort. If I was stuck on an island and I had no water and someone came up to me with makeup wipes, I'd probably use them. But other than that, no thank you. They're not good for it's not good for your skin. They basically just waller around your makeup without taking it off. If you're gonna use them prior to cleansing your skin, I guess that's okay. I don't know, I think that's a useless added step. But hey, if you love makeup wipes, then I would do it that way. Don't just use makeup wipes as your sole cleanser, because they are not. I'm sorry I had to start this with a scolding, but now that it's off my chest, I'm your loving friend that's just gonna give it to you real, in a loving way. So, nighttime routine. Everybody's is a little different. By the way, this is my day that I take off my nails. If you guys haven't watched that video, I'm gonna post it somewhere around here and you can check it out. But this is, I say on there I give my nails a day off, so sorry you're seeing these yucky things, but I'll have nails on tomorrow. So my personal routine is kind of extensive. I love the Korean beauty, and I love that they have a zillion steps to their face and their cleansing routine and their cleansing ritual. I dig it, I love it. But that's not for everyone. Very, very important though, that every evening you are cleaning your skin with a cleanser. There are very many cleansers that take off makeup and clean your skin in one step. So there's one. Toning would be the second. You know, if you have to omit that, I guess that would be okay. As long as you have a good cleanser, then you could maybe omit toning. I personally love it because it refreshes, and then any little trace that I didn't get with my cleanser, I can get with my toner. So that is mine. I do sometimes run out. So hey, it's not a make or break deal, but toner does. It's kind of like washing your clothes. When we wash, we put detergent and softener into our washer. Do we sometimes wash without softener and we just do detergent? Absolutely. And that's gonna happen sometimes with your toner. After you've cleansed your skin, you should feel clean. Your face shouldn't feel taut or tight. If it is, then your cleanser is too strong. You need to adjust it. You should never be running for a moisturizer because your face is gonna crack off after you cleanse it. Not the right cleanser, okay? So you want a gentle cleanser. Preferably if you can get one that has a makeup cleanser, that will take off the makeup and cleanse your skin in one step. That's what I go for. That would be great. Then next step would be toning. That's gonna balance that skin out and prepare it for moisturizer. When we cleanse our skin, the pH balance is a little off because we're cleansing it and not stripping it, but you are getting in there, and it is going to be, the pH balance is going to be a little off. That's what a toner does. It comes in and it rebalances the pH balance, so then you feel nice and fresh and you're ready for your next step. Again, in my case, which I'm going to be going my case, and then what you can do, mine would be, I like to do either a treatment or I have some devices, and I'll probably do this like once a week. So that would be masks. I have a new face. I love it. So that would go right into this step. Right after you've toned, your face is nice and clean, and you can do something there. Step 4 would be serum. And a serum is not a moisturizer. Don't get confused. Just because you have a serum doesn't mean you don't have to moisturize, because a serum does not hydrate the skin. So you could use a serum. Their molecular structure is a little different, and it will penetrate deeper into my skin. So I use a serum. Again, of course, I'm in the anti-aging mode. Serums, you can't start too early though. We only got one of these, you guys. So might as well take care of it from whatever age you are. 15? That would be cool if you started taking care of your skin at 15. Do you know how fabulous you would look? Like, it does pay off. It's never too young to take care of your skin. So we've cleansed, we've toned. If you have an extra device, mask, anything you want to put into that number 3 area, you can. Number 4 would be a serum. And number 5 would be moisturizer. And for me, I use a different moisturizer at night than I do during the day, because our skin cells are renewing and turning over, and our sleep time is important. So I use a night cream. Not necessary. As long as you're using something, a moisturizer, you're good to go. And then I save my eye cream for the very last. So those are my steps that I use. I know that's extensive, but it's my time. I like it. I like going in, shutting the door behind me, and just having my time. I feel pretty. I feel like I'm taking care of myself, and it does pay off. And you do have better skin. Who doesn't want that? Please, I urge you, start a cleansing routine. And you know what? You'd be surprised. I talk to ladies, it doesn't matter how old you are. I talk to women that are in their 60s, and they say, oh yeah, can you get this mascara off from last night? Are you kidding? Oh my goodness. Do you know what I forgot? Eye makeup remover. How did I do that? That's step number 1. Oh my goodness. So let's go back. Eye makeup remover, cleanser, toner, any device, serum, moisturizer, eye cream. Now that I forgot the eye makeup remover, I wanted to talk to you about that, because how could I forget about it? You want to take off your eye makeup with an eye makeup remover, and you want to do it gently. Our eyes are the most delicate area of our face. The skin around the eyes is so much thinner and more delicate and more prone to aging. You want to take care of that area. You don't want to be, I cringe when I see people rubbing when they take off their eye makeup. You just need to lay it on there gently, let the makeup remover dissolve into your makeup, and then you just swipe away. No rubbing, no tugging. Yeah, maybe the first or 10th time is not going to do anything, but if you do that every day, year after year, and you're using soap to get it off, that you're going to see that. And if you're not taking it off, you're going to start losing your eyelashes, because mascara will take a toll on your lashes if you just keep it on. I'm gonna go over the steps again because I missed one of my, and it's funny I miss it. That's one of my most important things that I do that so many people don't. eye makeup remover, cleanser, toner, any device if you want to use that day, serum, night cream or a moisturizer, and eye cream. Okay, there are all of your steps. There's your homework. Please comment below. Let me know what you do. Do you do anything? Do you cleanse? Have I encouraged you to cleanse? Research it for yourself. You can find horror stories, and I'm not even kidding you, stories of people that don't take off their makeup. Like it is so bad for your skin. So, I don't want to scare you, but I hope I kind of did. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. And I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.